Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by collecting essentials and making one immediate entry. Choose a pourable notebook and a reliable pen. This reduces friction when inspiration hits. Once done, write the date, location, and 3 quick bullets: what you see, what you felt, and 1 practical note. Make sure to set a simple label on the cover, city and month, so you can find entries later. Begin with a short scene description to prime memory, because sensory detail anchors later reflection and storytelling. You now build structure so entries stay useful. Decide on 2 templates, a 5-sentence scene template for moments and a mini log for expenses and contacts. Once templates are set, practice filling one out, noting whether time and dominant senses helps retrieval later. Make sure to leave a margin for sketches or pasted tickets. Visual anchors speed memory. Also capture 1 concrete detail you can revisit: an overheard line, a menu item, or a scent, because tiny specifics turn. You finish by consolidating and safeguarding your journal. At least once a week, review entries, add tags, summarize the week in 1 paragraph, and insert photos or ticket stubs. Once done, digitize important pages with photos or quick transcriptions so you have backups if the notebook is lost. Make sure to schedule this short ritual to keep momentum. If you ever freeze, use a 5-minute free-write prompt or sketch 1 scene to overcome blank page anxiety and restart the habit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.